me, what's happening today?
So one of my best friends from a long time ago just called me today and he said he's buying a BMW. He's a Mercedes fan. He's buying a BMW. Now this has been going on for a while, that he's been looking for a car and he finally found the right car for him, which was a BMW F30 330e. It's a 2016 or 2017 model, non-M Sport. It's an exciting day because we are gonna go collect the car, and it's always...
Oh look, Mustang!
Ew. Actually, Mustangs are nice. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so my friend doesn't want to be on camera, so I'm just gonna take his car and go away. Nice. Okay, so we have a 330e F30 here. It's a 2017 model. It's the non-M Sport. It comes with the B48 engine, which makes around 180 horsepower. And you have to add in the power that comes from the electric engine, which is around another 70 to 80 horsepower. Combined, it makes around 250 horsepower. This car, it's a hybrid, and so you get instant torque. So there's no turbo lag. You get the torque from the electric motor right before your turbos kick in, so that's good. It's a bit heavier. That's a trade-off you have to consider. I think, so the top speed on this is around 230 kilometers per hour. Yeah, that's pretty much it. A lot of plans for this car. He's gonna change the body kit, steering wheel, and a lot of stuff, and we are gonna witness that all on this channel, so make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.